Another lovely day, leaving work now. So not much exciting went on today. Not that that's any surprise in the world of industry. I really wish they would fix that street. The street has been like that for, I'm gonna say the last 4 years, maybe. It has not changed much in that time other than getting more bumpy. It's always a toss-up as to which internal body organ I'm going to have repositioned every day. Slowville, Slowville. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, that was kind of nasty. Ugh. Thankfully, that's mainly just water. Well, water with a little bit of hot dog from earlier. Watery hot dogs. Kind of makes you wonder how those professional eaters tend to deal with it. If you ever watch them, you know, where they take the buns, they soak them in water and then wash them down. I guess that's kind of a similar flavor. It's like, why anyone really wants to have that as a comparison to anything? Who knows? I've always wondered how those guys stay so darn thin. I mean, I would think that they would be, having to kind of train their stomachs to expand like that, so you would need to eat like that regularly. I mean, I really don't know any different, because I've not looked into the subject. But I mean, it is a curiosity. Even more so when you get those really tiny people, and you see them be like one of the world's top eaters. That's just bizarre to me. I'll never get that. Maybe that's something else to waste my valuable brain cell storage on later. And there's that lovely smell again. It just dawned on me that there's a Jim Beam distillery along this road. But then again, I never seem to smell it when I'm right by. If I remember, that facility over there is the old Jim Beam place. I mean, you can see the storage stinks a little bit, but I never smell that scent right here. It's always further south on 75. And yet, all these years I've been driving around on this road, I've never bothered to look up what it could be. I just smell it every day and it's like, that stinks. Move on. Maybe one of these days I'll get bored enough to actually bother with finding out what it is. But until then, it has remained a nasal mystery. What is going on? See, this is what I get for staying just a half an hour late. The mass exodus to places above and beyond my knowledge and understanding. Not really. More like places above and beyond the seat of my couch, because I don't want to get up and explore them. Not that I'd be like creeping on people in traffic like, hey, I'm gonna follow you home because I've never been here before. So that's just weird and stalkery. If this was an air-cooled bike, I would certainly be a lot more roasted than I am now. Not that it is helping any that I'm wearing black, like most bikers wanting to look cool in their all-black uniforms and leathers, especially black leather chaps, because it's so stylish. Well, personally, I'd like to wear brighter colored gear, but it's hard to find a decent looking set of high-vis orange. It really is. And for the most part, I've left with just the vests, which I wouldn't mind. But I'd like to find at least something. Like I have a high-vis mesh yellow jacket at home. But I've had it for a while. It's getting a little frayed on the edges, and it's because of its age, it's starting to get a bit sun faded. I mean, that naturally happens to fluorescent colors because they're not as UV stable. So I'm like, figured I might sell that. Haven't gotten around to actually looking again. So in the meantime, I'm sitting here roasting and testing my fiance's sensibilities of scent. Man, I need to wash this helmet liner too. I don't think any amount of Febreze is going to take care of this one if I keep it up. Ugh. Maybe I should do that tonight. I do have laundry I need to wash anyway. Jackets, gloves, pants, and helmet liners. Yeah. Should probably do that. It's well needed. Northgate time. Oh, I left my signal on. Whoopsie! That is very squid-like. See it? It's a bright green too. I put high intensity LEDs in it just for that express purpose. But the other one I can see, because that one only intermittently works. I still have yet to figure that one out. But that one, yeah, I can see that one every time. That guy was nice.